This over here is your spacious living and dining area. You will be getting two parallel platforms along with the stainless steel is the space of your master bedroom. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Purva and today we will be doing the sample flat tour of the residential project Sheetal Sayog Phase 2 by DGS Group located in Malad, Mumbai. As you can see, we are standing at the actual location of the project right in front of the sales office, where you can also see this is the actual land parcel and the actual tower where the construction is in full swing. You can also have a look at the main road and the neighborhood of the project. We will be getting into all the details of this project, but first let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. And now talking about the project overview, this project is spread across the land parcel of 3 acres that has 3 wings which will have ground plus 1 commercial, plus second to fifth level of podium, plus 6th floor for E-deck, plus 33 residential floors, having 1 BHK, 2 BHK and 3 BHK residences. Also talking about the amenities, this project has 40 plus amenities with swimming pool, gym, clubhouse, banquet hall, indoor games, multi-purpose court, kids play area and many more amenities within the project. And now speaking of location and connectivity, this project is located at Lakshman Nagar, Kurar, Malad East, from where Kurar metro station is at distance of 500 meters, Western Express Highway is at distance of 500 meters, Malad railway station is at distance of 1.4 kilometers, and you have Oberoi Mall at a distance of 2.1 kilometers from the project. Also, school, colleges, hospital is within 1 kilometer from the project. And to know about more properties in this location, don't forget to click on the I button. And now, let's move to the sample flat tour of this project. And now, we are entering the 2 BHK of the residential project Sheetal Sayog Phase 2. This 2 BHK is spread across the carpet area of 600 square feet. As we enter, you can see this over here is your spacious living and dining area. You will be getting vetrified tiles on the whole flat. Over here, you can place your sofa, center table and customize your TV unit. Also, you will be getting full French windows with flower bed balcony. Over here, we have your dining corner where you can easily place a 4 people dining table and enjoy meal time with your friends and family. In this corner, we have your kitchen space where you will be getting 2 parallel platforms along with the stainless steel sink. You can customize your lower and upper cabinets. Also, you have space provided to place your washing machine and your refrigerator in both the corners. And you also have windows for ventilation provided in the kitchen. Moving forward, this over here is an alley area that has your bedrooms and common washroom. First, on this side, we have a common washroom that will come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. Diagonally opposite to your common washroom is your common bedroom that you can see is very spacious. You can place your king-size bed along with your side tables. You can see the space. You will have walkable space even after placing your furniture. You can customize your wardrobes, and again you will be getting full French windows with flower bed balcony. And now, before moving forward, let me tell you what Housey gives you. Housey gives you sample flat tours, we give you actual location tours, we tell you the pros and cons of the project and give you full pricing including EMI and down payment plans. We also give you a 360-degree view of the project, and then if you want to book your own free site visit, you can register on housey.com. Now, let's move to the master bedroom of this 2 BHK. As we enter, this over here is the space of your master bedroom where you can easily place your king-size bed along with your side tables. You can customize your wardrobe. This bedroom is very spacious. Also, if you want to make a beautiful seating corner, and again, you will be getting full French windows with flower bed balcony. And over here in this corner, we have your private washroom that will come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. And this was a 2 BHK sample flat tour of the residential project Sheetal Sahyog Phase 2. If you like the project, you can download the e-brochure by clicking on the link mentioned in the description below. Also, have you bought property in this location before? If yes, what are your reviews? Do let us know in the comments, and don't forget to follow and subscribe Housey for more such sample flat tours. So everyone, this was a 2 BHK sample flat tour of the residential project Sheetal Sahyog Phase 2 by TGS Group located in Malad, Mumbai.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.